Hi guys, welcome back. So I just finished Sikandar. Yes, absolutely fantastic. Salman Khan's aura, his looks, his way of helping in Rashmika Mandana, given to the child, and heart's kidney and lungs is going to Kajal Agarwal, the eyes, lungs as well. So it's good film, it's fantastic film, and I give it 4 out of 5. Like I said before, the trailer was fantastic. Salman Bhai was brilliant, absolutely brilliant, and his his entry when he fights Pratik Babbar at the start of the film on the plane scene. That's a good entry by Salman Khan, and plus Rashmika Mandana had a small role. Yeah, because this thing happened in the coal mines, that blast happened, and she lose her life. Yeah, blood coming out from the chest, and yeah, they showed in her character. But apart from that, Salman Khan is brilliant. His action and how he saved this person, I mean that child's life in the slums, and how he's given the lungs. His late great wife Raja Saab, and plus he's known by Sanjay as well, and Sikandar, and he is the real Sikandar of the savior, I would say. Helps everyone, and he helped all these free people in life, and the action is fantastic. Yeah, Kottu Papa was the villain, the corrupt politician. Yeah, Satya Raj was the villain in the film, and plus you have Sharman Joshi as well. After a long while I've seen him, he's with Raja Saab, and he was the prince, and they showed the story of Rashmika, how they married and all that, and the songs were good from the start as well. The song Johar Rajabi song starts, gives you the good mood. Yeah, and the Bum Bum Bole Holy song was good as well. And yeah, watched it till the final song, Sikandar Nache Nache. How he helped these people, and how he fight justice, and he's the real Sikandar. Like I said it, he's the real Sikandar. He's दिल में राज करता है, सब गला प्यार करता है, दिल के लिए मदद करता है. That's what I like about Salman Khan, and he's freaking fantastic in his age, 15, 8, 9. Even I can't do this kind of action. No anyone in the world can be like him. He's the only one great Salman Khan. Absolutely brilliant. His actions brilliant. He still has that tiger. He's like a tiger, शेर. असली शेर जिसको कहते हैं वो असली शेर है. Yeah, so that's what I like about Salman Khan. He's so brilliant. So he gets 4 out of 5, and the film is fantastic because it spreads love, has emotional scenes as well when Rashmika passes away. Made me emotional as well. Good scenes as well. Kajal Agarwal as well was in the film with her family as well. Family element, had some family element, had the actions as well, and dialogue bazi as well. फायदा में रहोगे तो कायदा में रहोगे. एंड द वन मेरे सब पीछे पड़े हैं, बस मेरी मुन्ने की देरी है. सो द डायलॉग्स आर आउटस्टैंडिंग. Actual film is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. That's why I love about this actor. He's still roaring as a fire, and he still has that power in Hindi cinema. Whatever happens to this film, I enjoyed it. I had a front seat. I watched it full till start till end, and that's a Sikandar Nache song end में आता है. Absolutely fire, brilliant. Salman Khan gets 4 out of 5. The film gets 4 out of 5. Yeah, Rashmika Mandana, you had that Varun Dhawan's niece as well. Sanjay Kapoor was in it. So absolutely is a paisa vasool movie. I loved it. So that's why I'm going to watch this film in the theater only. जब टीवी पर आएगी I will see it again 2-3 times. So this is the first time. So I'll give it 4 out of 5. Absolutely brilliant. Salman Khan, his legacy, he will keep roaring, and he still has that power. He has that aura, he has that angara, and he will keep doing cinema whatever people think about him, people will see his hachai. He's a hachai ko dekho. Uska pyar ko dekho. He's helped so many people. No one does this in real life. So this is I like about the guy. Absolutely fantastic. Everything of the film is brilliant. It gives a good story, emotional, it gives a message as well. Saving these free people's lives. And Rashmika donated organs as well, and eyes to Kajal Agarwal, lungs to that child, and that heart to that Varun Dhawan's niece as well. So it has a good message what Salman does in real life. So that's what I like about him. I have all respect and love for the guy. Whatever he did for the story wise. So I salute that. It's a good direction as well, in my opinion, and good producing by Sajid Nadiawala. So Salman Khan cannot go any wrong. Whatever people think, that will not care. The film is absolutely brilliant, fantastic. Ekdam paisa vasool. So I'm just walking outside, was walk out from the cinema. The film is brilliant. So yeah, songs were good as well. Hum Aapke song could have been more, but it was nice. Arijit Singh song. So the film gets from me 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. Sikandar, Nache Nache, brilliant song. The Bum Bum Boles Holy song and the first song as well, Jora Jabi. Yeah, so it has good entertainment and it has a good message. It's got great action, fight scenes as well. And he is the real Sikandar because he helped so many people. That's what I showed in the movie. So there's nothing wrong with that. It's a brilliant film. I don't know why people are telling him his career's over, he's looked tired. God is giving him that talent and he's showing his talent, he's helping people, and he's still in films, which is a huge thing, and his legacy will keep rising. He will keep rising and he will get all the love and support from my side as a fan of Salman Khan. So simple as that. So I love the film. His actions, his dialogue delivery, his looks as a proper Raja Saab. Dil mein Raj karega ye Salman bhai. Always I respect and always I will love my favorite actors from the 80s, 90s. अभी भी उसमें दम है, उसमें भी जिगरा है, अभी भी टाइगर है ये. Simple as that. Absolutely fantastic. The brilliant film, brilliant choreographic, the fight scenes, dialogue delivery, the emotional, the family portions as well. How he saves these free people's life. One's got eyes and one's got a kidney, heart. It was a good message. It reminded me a little bit of Kick as well. How he saves the person, the child in the film. Little bit of vibes from Kick. Kick was another fantastic film. So absolutely paisa vasool, fantastic film. So Sikandar gets 4 out of 5. And the direction is brilliant by A.R. Murugadas. Plus production by Sadia Nadiawala and grandson. So absolutely brilliant the film is. So I loved it. Yeah. I loved it. So yeah, Salman Khan's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. I love the guy and I will keep watching his films whenever I have chance in the future. Whatever he brings, like Kick 2, Bajrangi Bhaijaan 2 in the future, he will keep doing that action. He will keep doing that action because he's just action superstars like Sunny Deol. You can take Tiger Shroff in today's generation. Sunny Deol, Paji. So these are come to do action in movies, and it's a good message, a social message as well. All the people are loving him, and it's a good film. Absolutely, it's good. Absolutely good. Yeah, people were saying it's a little bit slow, but for me, it went quick. I enjoyed. It was only about 3 or 4 people. It was empty. The cinema hall was empty. Absolutely brilliant. So what can I say? I love Salman Khan. I will keep supporting Salman Khan. Always, Hamesha, forever. So 4 out of 5 for Sikandar. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, I love this. So 4 out of 5 guys for the movie review for Sikandar. Forget this over and done with. So there you go. I loved it. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Salman Khan's the God-gift person, blessed by Allah and blessed by Bhagwan. We need this kind of people in reality to help people. Yeah. Simple as that. We need these kind of people. In real life, he's brilliant and he helps a lot of people. That's what I like about these kind of people. Yeah. So he's spread good humanity. Salman Bhai. Everything is brilliant. So yeah, I loved it. So 4 out of 5 for Sikandar movie. All the characters did a good role as well. What they required to do. I just see the performance. Simple as that. I just see the performance. And the captain of the ship is the director and producer. So yeah. So me, I guess 4 out of 5 for Sikandar. Sikandar nache nache. Sikandar nache nache. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. So 4 out of 5 from me, Sikandar. Movie review. 4 out of 5 guys. So there you go. That's my honest reaction. I loved it. Absolutely loved it. I will watch this in the future when it comes on TV. Whenever I will watch it again. Absolutely fantastic. Because when it comes on TV, they block the fight scenes, they block everything. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. And Sharman Joshi was his Raja Sahib. He was with you can call it like a bodyguard. He's look after Salman Khan's character. Yeah, Sanjay Raja Sahib. You wanna call him or Sikandar. So 4 out of 5. Absolutely honest. Sacha. Always speak. I speak the truth and reality. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for Sikandar movie review. I totally loved it. I enjoyed it. Everything was brilliant. So 4 out of 5 for Sikandar movie. Salman Khan's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So Rashmika was looking good together as well. Whatever the age difference is, age is just a number. Salman Khan give this level shot with this film Sikandar. It's not easy to do this kind of stunts and action, and he still did it fantastically well. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video. So 4 out of 5 for Sikandar movie review. Brilliant, absolutely fantastic. So yeah, let's see how people come in, how the box office collection performs. So at the box office. So yeah, there you go. Asli race ka Sikandar yahi hai, Salman Bhai. So there you go. All my love and support to him always forever. So there you go. That's my honest review for Sikandar movie review. Starring Salman Khan, Rashmika Mandana, Satya Raj, Kajal Agarwal, and many other cast members as well. Brilliant. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for Sikandar movie. Brilliant. I loved it. So hope you like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one whenever. Stay safe, play safe. Bye.